let's get right into it.
Okay.
First exercise, we're gonna be using a 10-pound ball or a 10-pound weight, or you can just grab some light item.
Or you don't even have to use an item. You can just use your fist and go.
But now let's get right into it. So you're gonna keep your feet off the ground and have the ball here at your chest.
And we'll
move
do
it
10 reps.
side to side and do 10 reps. 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And now we'll take a quick 10-second break.
Okay.
And we're back, guys. Now we'll be doing some crunches to heel touches.
No, heel touches to crunches.
Heel touches to crunches.
I'll come up here too.
So you'll have to do. So will demonstrate.
So you start out on your back. You can get in a leg. Pull your knees up. So they're like this. Here. 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 And we'll do 10 reps. Come on.
The circles are guys, come on.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And that's it, guys. Take another 10-second break.
Where did my go?
Okay, after the 10-second break and the dance moves, thank you.
We'll be doing some mountain climbers. So all you gotta do is keep your back straight like you're doing a plank, but just with your hands,
Or
and
push up,
then you just gotta move your thighs up,
and we will do
and we will
30
do,
seconds.
we will do 30 seconds of these.
3, 2,
1,
go.
And that's it, guys. Take another 10-second break. And we're back, guys. Now we'll do some bicycle kicks, which are pretty simple. All you gotta do is lay out like this
With your hands on your sides, boy.
and keep
Your feet up like this and go
and
like
we'll do
you're
this,
riding a bike.
and we'll do this for another 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
So for this, you kind of want to put your hands under your butt.
And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.